morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see what a day yesterday. How amazing was that day yesterday? Unbelievable. I mean, just, you know, you sell some stuff right away to cover everything and make sure everything's free, and then you let other stuff roll. But look at it. We sold those aligned at 18, the 320s. They went to 45. We sold Meta at 11.20. They went to 26. We sold the 190s at 4. They went to 8. We sold the 350s on the line at 40 cents to 5. 40 cents to 5. It's a beautiful trade, right? A beautiful trade. And it goes to 18. But still a great trade. And that's what we see. That's what we see. Today you have this jobs report. And I got to believe that he had the jobs report. If he didn't have the jobs report, and let's say jobs come in, and I don't even know what they're expecting. If somebody can let me know what they're expecting here. But let's say they come in 200 or 300,000 higher than what they expect. Then that would mean he would say it's inflationary still, right? So that doesn't make any sense that he would say that. So our logic is always based on sense so that he knows, okay? Okay, so Amazon, so NASDAQ way down. Amazon, remember yesterday I told you NASDAQ could go 500 points. It did yesterday. Unbelievable. It's just unbelievable, okay? Amazon, it's only down 3, right? Google, only down like 4. And Apple, I don't even know where Apple is. Apple's down 5. So things are not even, actually it's 148 now. Wow. So it's coming back. These things are barely down. But Tesla's trying to go. And remember last Friday was the day that we caught the Tesla 10 cents. So in theory, 200 is possible, but 200 is going to be very hard to break. But if it breaks, it can really, really go nuts, all the way to 209. Now, does it happen? I don't know. Okay? Keep an eye on it. Okay? Amazon, Google will be off the screen after this just because they don't move enough. Same thing with Apple. Today, yeah, but after that, doesn't matter. If you like clouds, MDB still has to report. That one was at 300 plus, and they missed, and they took it down almost 200. Okay, so it's something to keep an eye on. Snowman, a little bit better. Had a good day yesterday. Doesn't think it's going to make it today, but let's see. Never know. Okay? Meta, in theory, should be 192, 193 at open. If it pops back up at open after the thing, then it can go to 200. Okay, Team. So Team does something similar to ServiceNow. Similar product, different user base, etc. But the CEO said something stupid. And this is why CEOs, some are good, some are bad. We're having trouble converting the free tier users to paid tier users. If you give something for free, why would anybody pay unless they have to? That means they don't have a good product. I mean, to me, it's that simple. It's very, very simple. Okay, so we played it this time. After that, it'll go to shit. So here we see the receipt. Okay? And that's what we know. Everything based on this jobs number and see if we take out some of yesterday's highs and more of a chill day. Amazing week. 2 stunning weeks in a row. And then we see. Now, I keep talking about this, and I delve into how to become a better trader and a smarter trader. Now, I didn't want to sell Meta. I knew it would go higher. So Meta, both times last time, when it opened, it went 10 points lower. So yesterday it opened about 182, 183. You knew it was going to go 10 points higher. But Sam, why'd you sell? because that sell on that, okay, covered every position and gave me $100 grand profit. No matter what happened the rest of the day, I was going to be up $100 grand in the account for the whole week. No matter what. That's if everything went to zero. And then obviously we started selling more line and selling everything else and blah, 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 and all of a sudden we're up 500. Okay? So that's what you try to strive for. You try to get your account positive and then less money in there. Now I had so many messages yesterday. This has been so much fun. So much fun. I mean, you got people sending me messages, Sam, I have 80,000 in my account. A year ago, I didn't even have 500. I couldn't eat, blah, blah, blah. Now I have 100 plus. God bless. I mean, just unbelievable. Unbelievable. And then I would message back and forth with them and say, okay, what has changed? How did you do this? What has changed? Sam, I finally took your advice and they said, I expect zero. And if I expect zero and I have $5,000, I'm not putting in $5,000 on the next play. I'm going slow. I build it to 6, then I build it to 8, then I build it to 10. And then even though I want to make more, I don't put in 5,000. And then as soon as it goes right back to even, I'm like, I got to get the 5 back again, and you put it in again and it goes to 0. This is human nature. This happens. It's happened to me. Okay? So just know that. Okay? So that's what we know. Okay, outside of that, let's see what the jobs do and play it out. Okay, technically now, remember, Powell came out. He gave his news. The SPX ripped to 39.40. 41.40. And it dropped 30 in 5 minutes. And then it popped. Yesterday, it hit 41.90 plus, and it dropped 50. That's telling you this 42 area is a sell point. People are selling around there. Do we get through it? I don't know. But you have to be aware. Let's say we pop back up and we go up 15 or 20. It's going to be near 4,200. You're going to get sellers again. So you just have to be aware of that, right? And play around it. And no. Okay? NVIDIA continues to go, and Kramer and them saying this Chat GPT is driving insane usage levels. He's saying every single CEO is saying, get me something on there and get people to start playing with it. And how can we implement it into our business? Wow. Okay? Meta HSBC downgrade to 110. Really? Yeah, you can't even make it up. I'm pretty sure if we go positive on SPX, Meta goes to 196, 198. And Tesla goes to 200. Let's see. That's what we know. Okay? Back-to-back upgrades coming into Amazon. Nice, thanks. Okay, good morning, everybody. Unbelievable. 2-3. What a week. Fun. Are you having fun? Play with profits, then you'll have fun. Maybe you have a small account and you only playing with $5,000. And maybe that $5,000 takes you 6 months to get to $10,000. That's okay. You learn along the way. You try to learn like Sam's logic. Because Sam's logic is unlike anybody you've ever seen. I mean, and it just comes to me. Very interesting. All this logic and on my stuff. When I think of stuff, my logic is different. Okay? Netflix. Look, Netflix is ridiculously simple here. The day it trades over 372, it's going to make its run to 400. It's just going to go and go and go. Does it happen today? I don't know. Does it happen Monday? I don't know. But when it happened, it goes. They told you the ad tier doubled. Now, what they didn't tell you is Are those people that left the higher pay plan and went to that plan? It's possible. Don't know. Okay? So that's what we know, that's what we know, that's what we know. Okay. SPX was down it was down 22, then it was down 32, and now it's down 22 again. Okay? So right back to the 3160 or 4160, you got 4152, 4132, upside 4200, 4209, 4270 if we really, really take off. Okay, Avago chips 606, 621 under 591, Nvidia 217, 232 underneath 200, Apple 152, 145, Lam Research 542, 551 underneath 500, Goldman Sachs 372, 391, 391 way up there. Okay, underneath 352. Team needs to go positive. I don't think it can, but we'll see. Meta 192, 197. Snowman 177, 182. Netflix 366, 369, 372. NOW 496, 509, 522. May roll into some for next week. MDB 245, 249. Looks like 272 possible if they have good earnings. Google-issues right back to 99 and 107. Not really playable. Amazon 116. Very hard. 106. Very hard. Downside. Nothing. Align 369. 391. So Align is a stock that I've watched for 3 or 4 or 5 years. Never really played it. Just one time before in our history. And boom, we nailed it on this one. Tesla, 193, 196. ENPH can't seem to get through 334. 234. They have earnings next week. Then we see. Retail trading orders have accounted for 23% of the market's volume. Thank you. Amazon price target raises up and down. Amazon's really meaningless today. They're just in no man's land. That's what we know. Qualcomm, I haven't even looked at. I believe they had earnings. 131, 126, needs 142. That's what we know. Okay? That's what we know. Everybody have a great trading day. What an amazing week. Trade well. See you in chat.